Hey guys, welcome into Music City Trader. Today I'm going to show you this trade that I made in binary today. It was a good trade. It was a trade off support and resistance that was really clear, and it's really like one of my favorite trades from today's session. Before we get into it though, like the channel, subscribe to the channel if you like what I'm doing here. You can also find links to my free course and my upcoming book coming up in 2023. I'm going to have a book with all of these strategies. But this is a big, long 3-minute chart here, and you can see it comes down and bounces off support and resistance here, comes down and it stops here again, sort of at this floor. I'm calling it the floor. It's really the support level. And it breaks the floor, goes down, goes down, goes down. Then it starts to come back up. And I checked out this chart and I saw it getting ready to come right up here. And when I saw it coming right up here, I'm looking at it in this 5 minutes and 3 minutes, and this is now I'm looking at it I'm going to go pop over to the 1 minute chart, and I'm going to take a put if it hits this line. I'm thinking it's going to hit this line and it's going to bounce. This line has been tested over and over again, and so this is just one of those trades that is very, very kind of textbooky, and it's a trade that went very well. This was I have a 3-minute time frame here, and I'm waiting for it to get up there, and I wasn't sure if it had already gotten up there. I was kind of thinking about entering here because I thought, well, maybe it's not going to go all the way. I'm going to change this to a 2-minute time frame, and right as it comes up here, I'm like, ooh, it's getting up there. 2 minutes, bam, take a put for 2 minutes, and then we'll watch this play out. So I'm looking at this in 3 minutes now, and you can kind of see how it has been here before. It's been here before. And, I guess either way, this could have went either way. You have stochastic in the 3-minute going up, but in the 5-minute going up, it just look at all these. Look at this, just massive amounts of support and resistance right here. This is, like I said, kind of a textbook trade. Now, yeah, could this have gone the other direction? Could this have continued to push upwards? Could the RSI have broken? Yes, but look what happened. We know we're going to win this now. We can see the RSI in the 1 minute completely cricked and just totally rejected itself. So you can see where this line is right here. I'm refining where I put my line, and not only this is just a pure line. It's not really a zone. It's a line, but it hit that line really hard, and we've got 1 minute left. There's a little bit of drawback, and so I got just a tiny bit nervous here. But looking at the 3 minute, still, I'm thinking this is definitely a rejection off that line. Now I'm looking at the 5 second. This goes along with the Music City method, which is a 1 minute. It's a 3 minute, 1 minute, 5 second. That's what it's called, 3, 1, 5. And I still haven't found a better name for that. Maybe by the time I release the book, I'll have a much better name for this. But this is just a huge win based only on this long, basically, support and resistance. It's a floor and a ceiling. It was the floor, it became the ceiling, and then we got this trade win, and it's going to come out here as a win very, very soon. It doesn't ever go back up. So I'm teaching all of these strategies in my new book that's coming out in 2023. I really am excited. I'm finishing up my, oh, look at this. It just gets even bigger. It bounces even further. And I was thinking, ooh, maybe I'll take another put and then ride this down. And I think I actually did take another put, and I think I lost it and then went back into my martingale. So I'm working on the book. It's coming along very well. I think that it'll be out, in the first couple months of 2023, because I want my account to get really high before I release it. I want to release it on a swing of success in trading. So I want to get up well above my goal. So when I release my final trading chart, then it is all released and it's all perfect. So I just wanted to share that trade with you. There was one other trade in here that I thought was pretty good. It was a pretty textbook trade. I'm going to, right here. Let's see. I'm going to go all the way to the very, very end of the trade and see what happens. So this is a pullback, and this is also in 315. I'm going to enter this trade on a pullback. I'm going to see where I come in. Yep, there we go. So this is another trade where this becomes, this breaks through this floor, and it does retrace. It kind of starts to retrace and come back up. And as soon as it hits this ceiling again, there's another little mini ceiling here. I'm going to take a put right here for 3 minutes. And I really do think this is going down. And I waited till it hit that top in 3 minutes. And, The RSI never broke through today like I thought it was going to on this chart, but I still think that it's heading down. It gave me a perfect level of drawback, and this trade plays out over 2 minutes. We're going to roll this down here 1 minute. It kind of keeps going. Let's get down to the last like 30 seconds. We'll talk about it. So yeah, in 1 minute candles, you can see I had drawn a line here. I drawn a line there. I'm refining where my lines are just to get a feel. I like to get a feel for what's going on in my trade. So we get over here and then it wins. I wasn't even paying attention to the win. I was retracing my lines back there when it won. So we got 4 seconds here, and you can see that my trade was way up there and it won. All right, guys, that's it for today's session. Just wanted to share just a little bit of the success I've been having. I'm about 1,060 today. And we broke 1,000. I guess that's maybe this isn't the video where I'm going to celebrate that, but we did break 1,000 over the weekend. Started at 350, broke all the way over 1,000 just in 40 sessions, 40 short sessions that I've been doing. I'm on day 40 or session 40, and I'm going to continue going all the way up. If you want to follow me, go down and I have Telegram. I have MusicCityTrader.com where all our links are. Some of our courses are free now. You can get our trading sheets, everything like that. I'll see you on the next video.